paying child support based off of the use of minimum wage?
I believe that that is too low. $314 for 3 kids is too low. I have
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
And Vandy Mason, please unmute and turn on your cameras.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you both swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, they're both present and served. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. The state is requesting to read into the record what has been agreed to by the parties. The parties agree that that there has been no issues relating to family violence, that there's no request for non-disclosure. The parties agreed to taking a child support judgment in the amount of $2,854.20 as of November the 30th, 2025, to be paid at $50 per month. The parties agreed to a medical support judgment in the amount of $2,247.54 as of November 30th, 2025, to be paid at $40 per month. This is a modification to the final decree of divorce that was dated August 9th, 2022. The parties agreed that the health insurance and dental insurance will be provided by the non-custodial parent through a outside source, giving credit for the coverage at $115 per month. As it relates to the gross income, the state has used minimum wage presumption for the calculation of support. The non-custodial parent has no additional children outside of this case. That appears to be the extent of the agreement. We'll need to take additional testimony as it relates to the issue of child support. So at this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother here in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
My name is Vanley Mason.
Ms. Mason, did you hear what I read into the record that was agreed to by the parties?
Correct.
Other than the issue of child support, are you in agreement with all terms that were provided to the court today?
Yes.
And are you requesting that the court accepts those agreements and make them part of the order today?
Not the child support, no.
Ms. Mason, again, other than the issue of child support, are you in agreement with
Oh,
those
yes.
terms and requesting that
Yes,
the court
that's fine.
accept? Ms. Mason, do you request that the court accepts those agreements and make them part of the order again, other than the issue of child support?
Yes.
All right, as it relates to the issue of child support, the state has used minimum wage for the calculation of support and will request that the father pays child support in the amount of $314 beginning on January the 1st, 2026. Are you in agreement to that amount, ma'am?
No.
Is there any specific reason why you don't agree to the father paying child support based off of the use of minimum wage?
I believe that that is too low. $314 for 3 kids is too low. I have been taking care of them and I spent a lot more than that. I do understand that he stated that he was in school and that he was unemployed. But I'm sure that he's taking online classes right now. I too, I'm in school, and being the custodial parent, I am spending more on these children. And I am also in school, but I still work. I do believe that my ex-husband can do more. I understand that he has a church, but he's not there every single day. There are people who are working and going to school, just like I am doing. $314 a month in this economy with 3 kids, boys on that rate is just, it's not fair.
All right, thank you, Ms. Mason.
Thank
Nothing further
you.
from this party owner. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father here in this matter. Sir, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Joseph Massacre.
And sir, did you hear what I previously read into the record as it relates to this case?
Sorry, say that again.
Did you hear what I previously read into the record as it relates to this case?
That is correct.
Are you in agreement with those terms that were previously provided to the court?
Yes, right.
Are you requesting that the court accepts those agreements and make them part of the order today?
Yes.
And as it relates to the child support in this matter, sir, are you currently employed?
No.
And when was the last time you worked, sir?
I was working, the last time I worked was about 3-4 months ago, I believe.
And
Yes.
sir, how are you currently paying your bills if you're not currently employed?
I am currently being assisted until I'm done with school.
And how are you being assisted, sir?
I'm being assisted by the church that I'm currently serving under and helping out, which it just got funded by about 10 people. So I'm helping that. And they decided to give me at least $350 to be helping me out while I finish my bachelor's program and graduate in summer, in June. Which I'll
And
be
so when do you state that you're going to be graduating?
in June, summer. That's when my bachelor's program finish.
And you stated that the church is providing you with some income or some form of support. Is that correct?
That is correct. And I also mentioned that earlier.
And how much is that, sir?
They are right now. I'm being assisted about $350 every month to be able to help out with little expenses here and there, and plus they're also helping with the insurance that I did get for all my 3 kids, including with me. They're helping me to pay that.
All right, sir. And are you in agreement to paying the child support at $314 per month?
I am in agreement just for now until I'm done with college.
And so do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court today?
Well, I do have additional information. According to the divorce decree,
And Mr. Joseph, do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court today as it
yeah,
relates to what has been provided to the court in the petition? So the only issues that we are addressing today are
okay,
the issues that were previously provided. So any additional testimony relating to the issues that are properly before the court?
all right. So not including the divorce decree, correct?
That issue is not properly before the court today, sir. Only the
All
issues that
right,
were previously written to the record.
all right. So there's no issue until my attorney reach out.
All right, nothing further from this party, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Confirming arrears and in the amounts and the payments that have been requested. Father to carry insurance. And then I'm setting child support at $400 a month. It was, but like it's $579 right now is what the divorce decree says. I believe you're intentionally underemployed. I agree with Ms. Mason. You should be able to find some other work, maybe part-time work to make some more money and make some more payments. 3 kids is a lot of financial, responsibility. So you're gonna have to share in that a little more than the
Yeah.
minimum wage. So I'm setting it at $400 a month and
Okay.
courthouse as billed. The
All right.
attorney general's office will draft the order. That's the order, even though may not agree. Ms.
All right.
Mason, I don't need you to hear me. If you have a question, I'll answer a question, but you telling me you don't agree, it's not gonna help me.
No,
You have
I
a
do have a
question?
question. So Joseph did state that a church is helping him. Can he elaborate more upon that? Because I do know that he has a business and he owns a church. So it's different for me saying a church is owning, helping you from you actually owning that business.
That would have been an appropriate question when Mr. Tatum asked you if there was anything else that you wanted to share. We've already concluded your hearing, and I've already made a ruling, so it's too late now to go back and start over again, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, so let's do it at 400. Mr. Massaquoyo says he's going to finish school pretty soon,
Yes.
and then we can talk about it going up once he gets employed. You may want to revisit or talk to the AG or file your own motion maybe in August after he graduates from school. All right, y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.